Hey creepy crafters, welcome back. In today's video I'm sharing how to create some sequin mixes. So this has been a much requested video, so I'm going to take you through exactly how I create a sequin mix, and it's super simple. Once I tell you how I do it, you're going to be like, yes, let's make all the shiny sparklies. So let's go ahead and get started. So you'll need a small bowl, some little spoons and stuff, and then what I want you to do is pick one color. Pick one color. So I'm picking orange. As you can see, I'm using a variety of different oranges that I have in my stash. I did not buy any new sequins this year. Yeah, so I'm using what I got, you guys. So use what you have. You can see that I'm using some little pumpkins and some spiders, and I'm going to stir that up. You can see the kind of darker orangey metallic that's in there. I'm still counting that as an orange, even though it's shiny. So like I said, just pick a color. Add a bunch of different things in that same colorway. You do want to make sure the tones are kind of similar, and then you will want to pick a neutral and a metallic. So my neutral for this mix is black. There's a little bit of white on these little polka dot ones, but it just kind of blends away. It's fine. So yeah, so you have your main color, which is orange. We're adding in the neutral, which is this black. So I've also got some little black diamond gemmy thingies. They kind of sink to the bottom, so you can't see them well here, but you will in just a moment. Like when I spread this all out and it's all done. It wasn't quite enough black, and I had just a few little matte black sequins, so I dumped those in there too. And then for my metallic, I chose gold. So I'm going with some tiny little gold stars and then with some just regular kind of gold sequins. And this makes such a beautiful mix, right? To me, it kind of looks like a jack-o'-lantern on Halloween night. You know, the gold, like the candle flickering, and the orange, and the black. So much fun. I think this turned out so super cute. Went in with some more little black gemmies to kind of balance out all that orange. And see, isn't this so pretty? I think it turned out so nice. But let's go ahead and move on to our second sequin mix, where we're gonna take things up a notch and get a little crazy. So here we go. We're going to make one inspired by Beautiful Nights, one of my favorite Halloween collections ever, and our number one color is purple. So I've got a few different shades of purple. You can see this one in particular has a little bit of a blue shift, which will work really nice with kind of the minty tones. And then this bag of like a mixed sequins confetti, I separated out. I had another one, I separated it out, and I got so many fun shapes. So my neutral for this mix is black. So I'm adding in some little black stars again that I got from one of those mixed packs. These little bats I got in some Happy Meal, and they work perfectly. And then my metallic is hollow / silver. So again, some silvery bats. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in like this kind of assortment of holographic stars of various sizes, some more hollow stars, because Beautiful Nights has a ton of stars in the imagery. I don't know if y'all noticed that. And then of course I'm going to go back in with some more purple because it was just looking a little too silver and not enough purple, and I wanted purple to be my main color. Now here's where we're getting a little bit crazy. So I added in some of these like light rose gold, whatever, pinky stars. One, because there are kind of a little bit of pink tones in the collection, but two, that really soft pink is kind of a medium shade between the silver and the purple. So it kind of blends away visually. They don't stand out, you know, they just kind of blend in and look really pretty. And I like that they added kind of another tone of star shape in there. So I love these orange little sequins, and I was like, you know what, I really want to add just a pop of orange in here just to take it up even higher, just make it even more cute. So that's what I did. So I added in some little orange sequins, and I think it turned out so cute, you guys. I had to add in some more little black gemmies though, because again, I can't not. And this mix, I think, is one of my favorites. I love the pop of orange. I think it goes really well. So again, our base color was purple, the neutral was black, metallic was hollow, and then a fun pop of orange with a tiny bit of pink. So for this third mix, we're going with kind of a monochromatic look with just some differences in tone. So I'm going with all blacks and silvers, as you can see. And this one is kind of inspired, I guess, by Jack Skellington, Nightmare Before Christmas. I mean, might as well be, right? So I'm just adding in all the different black ones that I've got, as well as a few shades of silver stars. They kind of like, I don't know, some of the silver stars kind of blended into each other. Like this one is a slightly darker shade, but in the final mix, you can't really tell, but it's okay. These dark ones though are super pretty. And I love just how many different kinds of stars are in this little sequin mix. I think it turned out really lovely. It's kind of hard to see right now because all the black tones kind of blend into each other here, but I will do kind of the sprinkle spread of the sequin so you can see just how pretty it does turn out. And I think it'll look really nice in a shaker pocket when there's not as much depth of sequins in there. Overpoured the bats, but who hasn't, right? And then of course my final little pop of color, this is my kind of little fun bit, is this really pretty dusty soft like lilac color. It's so pretty. It kind of skews gray in person, which is why I chose it, because I wanted it to work well with all the different silver tones that I'm using in the black. I wanted it to blend in but still be noticeable. And here you can see, I think it turned out really well. I love all the different types of stars in here. I think the little purple ones look so nice. Very, very Nightmare Before Christmas vibes, and I'm digging it. So let's go ahead and do number 4. We're going to do a themed sequin mix now, inspired my candy corns. So I know candy corns, love, hate, I get it, but who doesn't love like the classic Halloween imagery, at least, of candy corn? I mean, come on, you can't deny it. Super Halloweeny, super fun, so why not, right? So this one's super simple. I'm just adding orange, white, and yellow sequins from this one mix box thing that I've got, and I will leave a link down below to my Amazon storefront so you guys can shop all the things I'm using. I had a little bit of this darker orange left over. Honestly, I wish I had more of it because I think it blended in so nicely with the rest. And then I got these little like foam dimensional, I don't know, enamel stickers from Eva at the scrapbooking meetup that I went to, the scrapbooking night. So I just peeled off the foam backs and tossed them into the sequin mix, and it turns out so stinking cute. It's really simple. There's also some seed beads in there, and that's it. So if you guys don't have a ton of sequins in your stash, just look at what you have, get a little bit creative, definitely get creepy, and of course get crafty and make some sequin mixes, and then you have to share them in the club, okay, over in the Facebook group, because you know your girl wants to see. All right, so here you can see the finished orange, super duper cute, the Beautiful Nights one, the Jack Skellington, and the candy corn. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helped. If you have any questions, leave them below or in the Facebook group. I'll do my best to answer, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Happy creepy crafting, friends. Bye.